Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 444. The number 4 resonates with the vibrations of the archangels, practicality and responsibility, productivity, illumination and initiation, building solid foundations, stability and ability, honesty and inner wisdom, determination and endurance, hard work and progress. Number 4 also stands for our passion and drive, and it reminds us to work together and hard to reach our goals and dreams. The number 4 also stands for the 4 elements, which are air, fire, water, and earth, and the 4 sacred directions, which are north, south, east, and west. When 3 4s show up, the effects and energies of the number 4 are amplified. Angel number 444 tells you to pay attention to your intuition and inner wisdom, because your connection with your angels and the angelic realm is very strong right now. You should keep going the way you are, because your drive and determination will lead you to success and happiness. Angel number 444 is a sign that angels and archangels are with you, cheering you on and showing you the way. They are giving you good vibes, inner strength, and support so that you can do the work you need to do. They know and understand that you have been working hard to reach your goals, and they encourage you to keep going in the same direction to get the success and results you want. Use your strong connection with the angelic realm to your advantage and be open to their prompts and messages. Listen to your gut and do what it tells you to do. Angel number 444 is a sign that you have nothing to be afraid of in your life, work, or divine life purpose. When you take positive action toward your highest intentions, aspirations, and goals, the universe works in your favor and helps you build solid foundations and move forward on your path. Angels are all around you and supporting you. They want you to keep doing the good things you have been doing. Angel number 444 means that everything is fine. Believe that you are on the right path and doing a great job. Angels and archangels can help and guide you if you ask them. All you have to do is ask. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.